Hello children and welcome to ELA Kids. My name is Mr. Gerald and today we're going to have a fun activity. But before we do that, join me in saying our special ELA greeting. Ella, 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 Ella. Good. Can you see what I have here? I have Play-Doh, and today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade Play-Doh. You will need warm water, salt, wheat flour, food color, a container, and lastly, you will need a fork. So let's get down to work. Get your container, add some water, that's enough. Then I'm going to add my food color. I'm using orange food color. You can use your fork to help you scoop. Make sure you close the container always. Then I'm just going to stir. And you can see the water is now orange. Now add some salt. Just stir a little bit. And now you're going to add your wheat flour. That's enough. Now we're going to mix it up. Mix it, round and round, round and round. Make sure you mix every bit of it. Make sure you get the wheat flour from the corners. Mix it, as can you see? It's changing. The wheat flour color is changing. Scoop some of it. Place it in my left hand. There. Then I'm going to roll and mix it. Roll it in a ball as I mix it. Roll, roll. And there we have our first ball. Then I'm going to scoop up the rest. Mix it, scoop. You can also use your hand. And I'm also going to pick what's on the table. Make sure you don't waste any of it. Then I'm going to roll it as I mix it. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. There you have it. You have your homemade Play-Doh, and you can roll it and make a big number one. Can you see? It's stretching. There. Did you enjoy the lesson? Good. Every time you finish working with your Play-Doh, make sure you tidy up, roll it into a ball, roll it, and then put it in a container and close the lid so that it doesn't dry up. Don't forget to leave us a like, share with your friends, and ask the adult at home to help you. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to ELA Kids, and until next time, bye bye.